Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Gmail tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to set an out of office message in Gmail. It's pretty simple to do. First I go to Gmail and I am now in my inbox. Now I click on the gear on the top right corner and select See all settings. In the General tab I scroll all the way down and here I find the vacation responder. First I have to activate the responder and set my first day. If no last day is selected, the out of office message is displayed until the end of time. But now I will set a week of absence. Now I have to enter a subject and a message as well. In the last step I can select if the message should be sent only to my contacts or all incoming messages. So if I want to send the message only to my contacts, I mark this option here. When I'm done with all the settings, I click on Save Changes. And that's it. On the top, I find a little reminder that I'm still with an active vacation responder. I can stop the responder right here, or I could change all my vacation settings. And with that, we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.